In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Apple TV Plus subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of all different ways to cancel your Apple TV Plus subscription. So if you're on an iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, what you want to do is open up the settings app, tap your name at the top, tap subscriptions and tap on Apple TV Plus, tap cancel subscription. And if you're on a Mac, open up the App Store, click your name at the bottom of the sidebar, click View Information at the top, scroll to Subscriptions and click Manage, and then find Apple TV Plus, click Edit and then click Cancel Subscription. If you're on the Apple TV itself, what you want to do is open up Settings, go to User and Accounts, select your account, go to Subscriptions, select Apple TV Plus, choose Cancel Subscription. If you're on a Windows PC or a Microsoft Surface, what you can do is open up iTunes. From the menu bar at the top of the iTunes windows, choose Account, View My Account, sign in with your Apple ID, scroll to Settings and click Manage, then next to Subscriptions, and then find Apple TV Plus, click Edit and Cancel Subscription. And now on the web, so go to tv.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, click the account icon at the top of the page, go to Settings, scroll to Subscriptions and click Manage, and then click Cancel Subscription. So make sure to confirm your cancellation if prompted. Your subscription will continue until the end of the current billing.